how is TTAG looking at this? What is your position as far as the aggregator guidelines are concerned?
See, we are very happy with this aggregator guidelines because there will be some uniformity in the rates, and in today's world, 21st century, everyone is moving towards online. Everyone is booking, whether they're holidays, whether they're food items. You're doing everything online. And so why should we not also use this mobile where you can even just call a taxi and get it there in 1 or 2 minutes? So we are very supportive of this. And earlier we have faced a lot of issues, problems because of this. Each one holding to their own territory. Like, I'm happy that today the taxi drivers are coming together. But are they ready to pick up clients from each other's hotels? Because he's allowed to drop them there. But coming back, he's not allowed to bring the client back when he goes to another hotel.
Yeah.
So that should not be the case, no? And today, in today's world, we're talking about sustainability and all that. See the amount of petrol and diesel spent by doing double trips. So all that taking into consideration, and more importantly, to give Goa a very good name in tourism, because we are getting a bad name overall. So I think we have to go for this.
Yeah.
And this is the time.